Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to create a business email with Zoho Mail in 2026 and set up a professional email address for your business or brand easily. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To create a business email with Zoho, first you must go to your Google and search Zoho Mail. After searching Zoho Mail, click on the first link. After clicking for the first link, there you would see an option for a business email or personal email. For this step, go for business email. And now I can fill in the details. First my name, the name of my company. Next is for my email, and then my password. After this, you just have to put your phone number. Press I agree and sign up now. After signing up, there would be a CAPTCHA where you have to input what is shown under. Now, after setting up, there would be an OTP sent to your mobile number. Simply enter the OTP, verify. After verifying your mobile number, you can now proceed with these steps. And after proceeding these steps, that's it. That is how you create a business email with Zoho Mail. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.